You tired of constantly scrolling through Instagram and feeling like you're not living up to the perfect lives of others? Or maybe you're just ready to disconnect from social media altogether. Whatever your reason, if you're ready to say goodbye to Instagram for good, then you're in the right place. Before we get started, make sure you've backed up any photos or videos you want to keep. Once your account is deleted, everything will be gone forever. To delete your account, go to your Instagram profile and click on the three lines in the top right corner. Scroll down and click on Settings. From there, scroll down to Help and click on Help Center. Type Delete Account into the search bar and select Delete Your Account from the options. In this section you need to change this page into web browser version. To do that, simply click this button and switch into mobile browser help. Next, scroll down and click on the link that says Delete Your Account page. Please enter a reason why you want to delete your Instagram account. Read through the instructions carefully, and if you're sure you want to delete your account, enter your password one more time, and then click on Permanently Delete My Account. And that's it. Your Instagram account is now permanently deleted. Say goodbye to the endless scroll and hello to a life free of social media. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to simplify your life.